Hello YouTube, Alex Precision Auto. Today we're gonna go pick up a vehicle that I kind of gambled on. And gambled why? I'll show you when we get there. It could either have a huge problem or a very easy problem that can even be potentially fixed for free. So these are things that, knowing a little bit about cars and knowing how to diagnose on the spot, a little bit of luck, and being able to take risks. No risk, no reward. So we're gonna take a ride to the auction, show you what I picked up, and hopefully it's the easy way out and not a $5,000 repair bill. All right guys, so I'm at the auction, about to pick up the vehicle that I mentioned. Hopefully this fix will work, because if not, I'm in a whole lot of trouble. Well, not really trouble, because I got it at a good price, but a whole lot of work that I really don't feel like doing. So hopefully it pans out. So I'm going to show you, once we get to the car, what exactly the issue is, and I want to see if you guys agree with me or disagree with me. But I have a really good hunch that it might be the easy fix that I was mentioning. So I'm going to flip this camera while I'm walking to the car. A lot of you are or are not TDI enthusiasts. I am a TDI enthusiast, especially the facelift Golf. Don't find these all the time, so this is the reason that I bought this. So pretty clean car overall. I'll go around it really quick. And I will show you the issue with it. Let's see if it's open. It's open. As you can see, super clean back, front, roof racks. This will be for sale, hopefully, if I could get it fixed. There we go. So here's the issue: airbag, air transmission. So that scared the bejesus out of everyone bidding on this car. Scared me too. But then what I did is push this to start getting the volume. I noticed it didn't work. Push the horn. Noticed it didn't work. Pushed all these buttons. Noticed it didn't work. Excuse me. So if you go to vehicle status, you will see, again, air transmission. So what do I think is wrong with this car? As you can see, this thing has paddle shifters. Don't work. So my whole thought process is that because the paddle shifters are not working, buttons are not working, the airbag light is on, I think the clock spring is what's bad in this. And if I'm lucky, Volkswagen might fix this for free, because I think there was a recall. I'm just not sure if this one was one of them in the recall. Hopefully I'm right. If not, we will need a transmission or something electronic, valve body, who knows. But we will bring it to the shop and see what's up. All right, so I drove it a little bit in the parking lot, and all is good. It's shifting, so I'm pretty confident that that might be the issue. I'm gonna put it up on a trailer, show you how easy it is with this trailer. I love this trailer. One thing I won't sell is my 8218 tilt trailer. Gonna go ahead, put it on there, get it to the shop, pull the codes, and see what's going on. But it does drive beautifully. One thing that I look at, a little spoiler, I haven't made the video yet, but the first thing I look at with when buying cars are the tires. The very first thing. And this one has Goodyear insurance. That tells me whoever had the car did not cheap out on tires and love their car. So that's why a little more going down, and that's it. See you at the shop. All right, update. So as you can see, I haven't even taken it off the trailer, and I'll tell you why. Did a scan. I will place a screen print. If I took a picture, I forgot, but I will try to place one if I found one in this screen. But exactly what I thought. It has no communication to the steering wheel, thus giving an error code to the transmission because the paddle shifters are not working. And that is the same thing for the airbag story. On my way here while I was towing, I decided, let me call Volkswagen and see if it's part of a extended warranty or recall. And guess what? It is. So the reason I haven't taken down on the trailer is I'm dropping it right to Volkswagen from the auction and have them fix it. Even though it's an easy fix I could do, why should I even get my hands dirty when they'll do it for free? So the next update will be when the car is done, and we'll see if 100% I was right and it fixed the problem. All right, guys, just picked up the vehicle from the dealer. As you can see, there are no more lights on the dashboard. Well, that red one is my parking brake. Everything is done. You before saw that it had a bunch of errors. The only thing is now the battery for the fob, which we'll take care of. Here is the invoice. My diagnosis was right on. They replaced the clock spring, and I guess the second one they broke the shift cover trim, so they replaced that too. 0. So no risk, no reward comes true again. I lucked out with this one. There is no transmission error, obviously. Now the buttons work on the radio.
Yes, I know.
You can see everything functions now the way it's supposed to. Before, nothing worked. Horn works, everything works perfectly. So to recap again, the reason the transmission error was displaying on the screen and on the cluster was because the paddle shifters, they were not giving a signal to the transmission, and the clock spring was at fault. Dealer fixed this under the, I believe it's unlimited mileage. I forgot the years, but I think it was like 10 years that they're covering this for. So all fixed, all good, gonna be up for sale soon. Precision Auto Source, Jacksonville, Florida. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Make sure you give a thumbs up and enjoy your day.